Hello and namaste everyone. Today I am here expressing my thoughts over the question, why am I failing math? What is the major issue? So, being a good student in math, I want to express my problems I used to face in the older days when I was weak in math. First of all, what is mathematics? Mathematics is the creation of human mind specifically concerned on reasons, ideas and process. It is much more than the arithmetic, much more than the algebra and much more than the geometry. In simple word we can say that mathematics is the study of numbers, patterns and shape and size and many more. It is obtained from the Greek word name mathema, meaning science, learning and knowledge. Mathematics is sorted into many countries as maths. In the present context of the world, it is really important for a common person to understand or learn the maths, because it is given the importance of oxygen in an organism life. It is given such importance because it is used in each and every step of a life that we walk. It is even important for a common person to learn math to live in reality or to survive. So, the importance of math can't be criticized easily. Now there is another wonder. Being such an important subject, why are students so bad in this subject? Why can't students get the profit or the benefit that they need to get from the math? So 5 major issues and their solution is gonna be discussed by me in this video for the students that are weak in math. First, and the major problem for the student to be weak in math is less interaction with the teacher. Students in this period are really fearful and really shy to clear their doubts with their teacher, which is a bad thing because the interaction between you make you understand better. So students try to get more interaction with your teacher and clear your doubt. And the second problem is exposition without checking for understanding. Teachers are mainly wrong in this problem as they are only focused to check their assignments and their tasks given by them to the students. So they cannot even focus on their students whether they are learning it properly, understanding it nicely or not. So teachers, I want to request you humbly that please make sure that your students are learning it properly. And the third problem is racing to remember rather than understanding it. Students are trying more to focus on the step to remember it, how to solve it step by step. So students, please do not do so because understanding helps you learn better, not remembering. If you understand it once, you will remember it through the life. And the fourth problem is taking it as a load but not as enjoyment. Students, first let me give you an example that we are playing game. We start from the lower level to the higher level. As it is, also math is one game of numbers and the patterns, because we started from the lower level, from the pre-primary, and we go to the higher level as much as we can. So don't take it as a load because math is a game. So try to solve it from the lower or the simple level to the higher equation so that you can learn it properly and enjoy the process. And the fifth but not the last problem is the stress of scoring high or good marks. In this concept, parents are mainly focused for the students to bring the high marks, and students are also mainly taken the tension or the load for bringing or obtaining high marks in the math. But that is wrong, because parents, let me request you or let me say you that the talent of your child is not gonna be scored, because it is not gonna be reflected by the score they obtain in the exam. The student try as hard as they can, but if the score is not good, then that is not their problem. So you should not make your child just focus on their numbers. You should make your child try to focus on their problems and try to make them more better but not perfect, because perfect is the gradually process done when you are good or when you are better. If you are good once, you will try to do it better next time. So my dear teachers and my dear parents, please make your students and child focus on their development, not on their score and their result. I hope you all understand your problems and the solution I am talking about, and I will be talking about in the next video if I got to opportunity. So at last I want to say that mathematics refers to the reality of the world. Don't take it as a burden. Take it as enjoyment. Thank you.